Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, Bluetooth, passenger airbag, automatic transmission, driver airbag, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, heated driver's seat, power windows, heated steering wheel. Come take a test drive today.